Show you know we need to estimate and calculate. So negative 0.6 times negative 6.1. Let's estimate first. 0.6 is very close to half, so I'm going to estimate that to be negative 0.5, and I'm going to change the negative 6.1 to a negative 6. So this is asking, ignoring the signs to start with, what is half of 6? Well, we know that that's 3. Then we go back and we look at the signs. Well, this is a negative, that's a negative. So it's negative times a negative. Those are common signs, so we know that the answer is going to be positive. So it's going to be a positive 3 for our estimate. Now, we can do the calculation. And again, I'm going to ignore the signs initially. 6.1 times 0.6. Well, 1 times 6 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. I've got 2 positions that are past the decimal in my question, so I'm going to have 2 past the decimal in my answer. So I've got a 3.66 for my actual calculated number. Again, look at the signs. Negative times a negative is a positive. So it's going to be 3.6. That's going to be my answer. Now let's look at the other one. Negative 2.4 divided by 2. Well, I'm going to estimate that to be 2. And if I divide it by 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. But we've got a negative divided by a positive. The signs are different, so we're going to have a negative for your answer. So I'm estimating negative 1. And in this one, 2.4 divided by 2. Let's work it out with long division. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract is 0. I can bring down the 4. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, and it's 0. Now I've got 1 decimal there, so 1.2 is my actual answer, but look at the signs. Negative divided by a positive. The signs are different, so I'm going to have a negative for my answer. So my actual calculated response is negative 1.2. And that's this show you know.